Okay, we're here with Charlie Rasnick. Charlie, how old are you?
11.
11? And where do you go to school?
Manhattan.
All right. How long have you been coming to Pro Chiropractic?
Like 6 years.
6 years. Okay. And do you remember why your parents first had you start coming?
No.
You don't? Well, I remember, and that was you guys had ear infections and were getting sick a lot, and Mom and Dad just wanted to make sure you were feeling good. Have you gotten many ear infections since coming to Pro Chiropractic?
Nope.
Nope? All right. So we're going to get you adjusted now, okay?
Okay.
All right, perfect. Go ahead and lay on your tummy. All right, Charlie. Anything bugging you in particular today?
Nope.
Okay. All right, take a big breath. Blow it all the way out. Good, let everything go there, Charlie. Excellent. Good job. I remember when we first started adjusting Charlie, he was about half this size. He's grown a lot these last couple of years. All right, Charlie. Nice and relaxed. Good. Okay, go ahead and roll with your right side up. Everybody has adjustments that are favorite and least favorite. This one's sometimes the least favorite, sometimes the best. Take a big breath. And good job, Charlie. Other side. Good. Take a big breath. And good. You feel that move? Okay, good. All right, finish with your neck. Charlie, what are your favorite sports?
Basketball.
Basketball, all right. Nice and relaxed. One more right here. Beautiful. Okay, go ahead and sit up, Charlie. Say goodbye to the camera.